first chapter of Moral Science, Chapter 1, God is everywhere. God is always with us. He is not restricted to one place at a time. We live in His glorious presence every moment. When we are alone, God watches what we do. We need God's magnificent presence for any challenge that may come our way. He protects us from any danger. He is our Savior. इसमें क्या बताया गया है कि भगवान हमारे साथ हमेशा रहते हैं. हम जो भी काम करते हैं भगवान हमें, चाहे हम अकेले हों कहीं पर भी हों, भगवान हमें देखते हैं. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आए हमें हमेशा भगवान बचा के रखते हैं. इधर एक स्टोरी बताई गई है मर्चेंट और उसके बेटे के बारे में. Once upon a time there lived a merchant who did not believe in God. According to him, people believes in God because they were told about God. If they had never heard about God, they would never have believed in God. So the merchant had a son. He decided that he would not send his son to school but educate him at home. He did not want his son to hear or learn anything about God. To keep his son away from other children and people, the merchant built a big wall around his house and garden. एक मर्चेंट था, वो भगवान पे कभी विश्वास नहीं रखता था. उसने भगवान की जो भी चीजें घर में थी सारी चीजें उठा के घर के बाहर कर दी थी. उसका एक बेटा था, वो कभी नहीं चाहता था कि वो भगवान के बारे में जाने, तो इसलिए उसने उसको स्कूल नहीं भेजा. उसकी एजुकेशन घर पे ही हुई और उसने घर के चारों ओर, गार्डन के चारों ओर लंबी लंबी दीवारें बना दी ताकि वो बाहर की दुनिया को देख ही ना सके. So the merchant taught his son to read and write. He taught his son all the subjects that were taught in school, but he never told his son about his existence of God. उसने सब कुछ पढ़ाया मगर भगवान के बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पढ़ाया. The son never heard the word God. Years passed. The merchant's son was now 12 years old. One fine morning, the merchant was walking in his garden. Suddenly, he heard his son's voice and listened to the conversation he overheard. The son was saying, "How great must be the one who has created the twinkling stars, the sun, the moon, beautiful flowers, the fragrance, trees, mountains, rivers and animals and other fascinating things." मतलब एक दिन जब उसका बेटा गार्डन में बैठ के जब ये सब बातें बोल रहा होता है तो वो पीछे से सुन देता है. So how beautiful, how intelligent, how wise. I wish to know his, revere him, love him and worship him. I wish to thank him for his wonderful creation. But the merchant was stunned to hear these words. He saw that his son was kneeling on the ground and saying those words. "Who taught you all to say all these things?" Merchant asked angrily. "Nobody, father," replied the son politely. "But don't you think that someone must have created all these things?" The son continued. "Don't you think that the creator of these things must be great, majestic and intelligent? Shouldn't we love the creator of these things? Shouldn't we worship or revere him?" The merchant was appalled to hear the words of his son. He now realized that God is present everywhere. मतलब उसने अपने बेटे को हर चीज से दूर रखा मगर फिर भी उस दिन जब एक दिन गुस्से में उससे पूछा तुम्हें किसने सिखाई ये सब चीजों के बारे में, तो मगर वो बोलता है पापा मेरे को किसी ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया, मगर जिसने भी ये चीज बनाई होगी, बनाई तो बहुत अच्छी चीज है ना, तो मेरे को उसको थैंक यू करना है क्योंकि इतनी सुंदर और इतनी अच्छी चीजें बनाई हैं तो वो जरूर सबसे इंटेलिजेंट होगा इस दुनिया में. सो आई वॉन्ट टू वर्शिप हिम. सो ही वॉज स्टन्ड, मतलब वो हैरान हो गए ये सब सुन के कि मेरे बेटे को जब मैंने भगवान के बारे में बताया नहीं फिर भी उसे ये सब पता है. सो मर्चेंट के उसी समय मर्चेंट सडनली uttered these words in praise of God after listening to his son. "This beautiful world, O divine creator, is your temple. Every moment, every place, your presence we feel. Forever open are the doors of your temple. The sun, the moon, and the stars sing thy praises. The poets have no words to describe describe your glory. Where are you, O Lord? So this was the chapter that God is the creator of the universe. So you have to try the exercise of chapter number 1, even the question answers also. In the next class, I'll discuss about this too.